Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can embed Google Calendar in the Notion. So in the first step, open the Google Calendar in your web browser. If you are redirected to the app automatically, choose the shareable calendar in the Google. Okay, now choose the calendar that you want to embed and copy the link to that. So let's go to the Notion. And now if you want to include this calendar here, click on the plus and swipe down to the embed link. Paste the link in this place and click on the embed link button. And here you can either have birthday calendar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.